Have you ever wondered what's the real difference between MRP and DDMRP? Both methodologies are designed to optimize your supply chain, but which one already works better? Stick around because I will break it down in less than 2 minutes. Imagine that you're about to take a long road trip, Barcelona to Berlin. Your goal is simple, right? Get there without running out of fuel or carrying more fuel than you need. And now, think about this way. Your car is your company, the engine is production, the fuel is your inventory, and the gas stations are your suppliers. And in a VUCA environment, the journey is far less predictable than it looks on paper. Before you set off, you plan the route, calculate the distance, the estimated fuel consumption, choose where to refuel, and anticipate traffic. Based on that, you build a plan. And that's exactly how traditional MRP works. It follows a pre-calculated plan based on forecasts. So you decide to pay for fuel in advance at every gas station you expect to stop at, thinking that you will save money and secure supply. But the problem really starts when reality changes. The tours, traffic jams, roadworks, or higher than expected consumption. Suddenly, the plan no longer fits and the system starts to strain. What happens then? You either run out of fuel too early or you carry extra fuel just in case. On top of that, you have already paid for fuel at stations that you will never stop at it, all while believing that you are optimizing costs. And in business, the same thing happens. Stockouts, excessive inventory for products that no one wants anymore, the constant firefighting, and the well-known MRP nervousness. And believe me, no one wants an uncertain and an overly sensitive supply chain. And this is where DDMRP takes a different approach. Before the trip, you still look at the route and estimate the fuel consumption. But once you're on the road, you don't make decisions based on the original plan. You respond to the actual fuel level and what's happening in real time, and you only pay for fuel at stations where you actually stop. You define a target fuel level, the buffer, for each leg of the journey. This has to be calculated based on demand, lead time, and variability, and you regularly adjust that target as conditions road change. And you're not improvising, you're adapting. Higher consumption, refuel earlier. Lower consumption, delay the stop. A gas station is closed, you adjust at the next one. You act when it's necessary, not because the original plan says so. Companies using DDMRP reduce stockouts and total inventory, increase stability, and dramatically cut down on emergencies and replanning. And that's the real difference. With MRP, you drive by staring at the map and the plan, paying for fuel in advance at stops that you might never make. With DDMRP, you drive by watching at the fuel gauge and the road in real time. In a VUCA world, the winners aren't the ones who plan the most. They are the ones who make better decisions every day. At ForgeFlow, that's crystal clear. Do you want to learn how to apply DDMRP to build a stable, adaptive, and protected supply chain in an unpredictable world? Visit forgeflow.cloud and find it out. See you in the next video.